The time of this video's release, Labor Day weekend, is upon us here in the United States. For many folks, Labor Day is the final hurrah of summer and the perfect excuse to have a barbecue. Unfortunately, according to the National Fire Protection Association, over 10,000 house fires are started by grills each year. We love good food and good times at Sidle Insurance, but as seasoned risk management professionals, we also encourage safety and practical care. So, here are some quick grilling safety tips to keep in mind, because even grilling experts can use some refresher tips. Number 1, only grill outdoors. Not only is it a fire hazard to grill inside, but grilling in an enclosed space can allow for carbon monoxide to accumulate. Grill outside on a flat surface away from buildings and flammable objects. Number 2, once the grill is lit, have someone watching it at all times. It can be dangerous to leave a lit grill unattended. Number 3, use grilling utensils that have long handles. They can help you keep a safe distance from the flames, heat, and hot grease splatters. Number 4, wear appropriate clothing. Clothing with long sleeves or portions that dangle may catch fire easily when close to an open flame. When you use your grill, wear clothing that won't get in the way. If you wear an apron with strings, be sure that the strings are tied securely behind you. If your clothing does catch fire, remember, stop, drop, and roll to extinguish the flames. Number 5, always have a non-expired fire extinguisher on hand. Grease fires are a potential risk when grilling. They are very dangerous, and a fire extinguisher is the safest way to put one out. Number 6, keep children away from the grill. Barbecues, especially those on holidays when families get together, often include children in attendance, having a good time playing and running around. A fun day with the kids can quickly turn upside down if someone bumps into the grill and gets hurt. Make it a rule that the children keep their games at a safe distance. This includes after you're done using the grill and it's still cooling off. Number 7, never move a hot grill. The kids aren't the only ones at risk when the grill is hot. Before putting it away, let it cool down first. Should someone stumble or lose their grip while moving a hot grill, they could get seriously burned or even injure someone else. Number 8, clean your grill with the proper tools. Old, overused wire brushes can lose bristles which can get left behind on the grill. These metal bristles could wind up getting stuck in food on the grill and are very dangerous to swallow. Consider cleaning your grill without a brush or with a sturdy brush that you replace regularly. Number 9, do not undercook meat. As you likely know, undercooked meat can be dangerous to consume. If you'll be grilling meat, be sure that it is thoroughly cooked. Also, don't allow raw meat to spoil or cross-contaminate other foods. Store raw meat in a refrigerated location separate from other foods, and always wash your hands after handling raw meat. Keep these tips in mind and have a wonderful, safe Labor Day weekend.